as we set up for second baby, we have not needed to get as many things, luckily, but a really good diaper caddy was something that I really wanted. Our last one did not hold up well. And I found this Skip Hop one, and I'm really excited about it for a couple reasons. One, it's very easily cleanable on the inside, but two, it also has a little light that you can tap on and off with just a finger. So for those middle of the night diaper changes, when you're trying to stumble around without waking baby up too much, you have a little built-in light to help you find what you need. So this is the Skip Hop Diaper Caddy and one of our favorite new buys for our second nursery.